Welcome. From me is a WIEPPO S5, and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, simply pull down the notification panel and find the toggle, which for me it's right over here. So once you find it, hold it. This will take you to the settings, where we can customize it. So at the very top we have priority only allows. Once you tap on it, it will bring up a list of different things. So you have alarms, reminders, events. These can be enabled, disabled. So if during Do Not Disturb mode you want reminders and events, then check them on and they will still give you notifications. Then we also have messages and calls. So once you tap on messages, it gives you option for messages from anyone, contacts only, favorite contacts, or none. So to select whichever one you want. Calls has the same options as you can see, with the difference here being the repeated callers right at the bottom. Now this is just a check mark, which I personally would suggest you to check on. Basically what it will do is if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will still be able to reach you no matter what the setting right here is set to. So as you can see, it can be set to none. So no one should be able to call me, but if this is checked on and that no one calls twice, the second time around they will be able to reach me. And this is a really good option for emergency situations. So people usually spam call basically till you pick up, and they most certainly call more often than every 15 minutes. So this will let you know that someone is trying to reach you. Otherwise, they would be basically, or you wouldn't be aware of anybody trying to call you. And once you set it all up, you can leave this mode here. And next thing that we have is the black visual disturbances. So you can check it on or off if you want it. It's completely up to you. And the last option is the automatic rule. Now this is the option that will allow you to literally set the Do Not Disturb mode once and never interact with it ever again. So I'm gonna start by adding a rule, and I'm gonna make a time one, name it whatever you want, and from here, once you name it, it automatically becomes enabled, so keep that in mind. So let's select days of the week. Now I'm gonna create one that is based on like a work schedule, so Monday through Friday 9 to 5. So obviously disabling Saturday and Sunday. Start time 9. End time 5, and then Do Not Disturb, priority only, alarm, or total silence. Now priority is the one that we actually customized, so it will basically act the way you want it. Alarm only is just a preset one that allows only alarms, and total silence just blocks everything. So I'm gonna go with priority, and alarms can override end time. This option is completely optional. If you set up an alarm clock somewhere in the time between 9 and 5, the alarm will basically end the Do Not Disturb mode that day early. So if you want it, check it on. If you don't want it, keep it off. And once you're done with this, you can simply leave it, and it will automatically become enabled and also turn on because, well, it is right now 12 and it's supposed to start at 9. So it isn't that time that it's supposed to work, so automatically it's enabled. So this is the automatic rule, and this will basically force the Do Not Disturb mode to turn on every single day, Monday through Friday, from 9 to 5, and it will, well, at 5 p.m. it will disable itself. Now apart from it being automatically set, you can also simply tap on it, and once you do, it gives you the two options. You have until you turn it off, or for amount of hours that you want. If you want more hours, simply tap on the plus. And once you have selected it, click on that, and this will enable it. Now this way you will have to either, well, you have it set for either a specific hour, so until you turn it off, so you will have to turn it off, and the settings that it takes is the default priorities that we have selected right at the start. So this would basically finish up the Do Not Disturb mode and setting it up. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.